In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize SEO metadata for pages in GoHighLevel. We'll walk through the new SEO and AI search optimization panel so your pages can show up with clear, compelling information in search results. First, open the panel from the top bar by clicking SEO and AI search optimization. This is where you'll manage the essentials that search engines read and display. Think of this as the control center for how your page appears on Google. Start with content, which is the most important section. Enter your page title, also known as the meta title, and your meta description. The title should be concise, include your primary keyword, and, if there's room, end with your brand. Aim for something that fits neatly without getting cut off. A helpful guideline is to keep titles tight and your description focused on value. For example, you might use title: Life insurance plans for families. And for the description, protect your family with affordable life insurance. Get expert guidance today. Write naturally and avoid keyword stuffing. Next, if you'd like to reinforce your topic, click keywords and add your main keywords. Choose a handful that match the intent of the page, such as life insurance, family protection, or affordable insurance. This helps organize your strategy and can improve AI suggestions inside the platform. Quick note: if you don't already have access to GoHighLevel, you'll find the official link at the top of the description so you can sign up or download the app and follow along. For attribution, click author and enter your business or brand name. This can support credibility and keep your pages consistent. Move to images and add alt text to each image. Alt text describes what's in the picture, so search engines and assistive technologies understand it. Keep it specific and plain language, like life insurance consultation. This small step supports accessibility and search relevance. Under links and tags, set your page URL, often called the slug. Keep it short, lowercase, and separated by hyphens, focusing on the main keyword. Add tags if you use them for organization or filtering. Before wrapping up, confirm the language is set correctly, such as English or whatever your target audience uses. This helps search engines serve the right version to the right users. When everything looks good, click Save, then Publish. Your updates may take some time to appear in search, but this setup gives you a strong foundation. That's it. If this was helpful, be sure to use the link at the top of the description for GoHighLevel, and thanks for watching.